八重洲嘅 FT710喺強烈嘅太陽耀斑嘅呢種電池環境下嘅表現嚇。呢幾日嘅太陽耀斑相當嚴重，遲爆。好啦，聽下佢個噪音嚇。大氣層正受到太陽嘅嗰啲粒子嘅拋射嘅物質嘅轟擊啊。
Yeah, roger that. N7BER, WB6DXR. Yeah, loop's a really good way to go, and they're usually a little quieter than your standard inverted V. And just if you get them, if you start going up above the fundamental frequency, you'll pick up gain, and they pick up lobes on the radiation pattern. And some of those lobes can be, depending on how many wavelengths you've got, it can pick up quite a bit of gain and be a substantial increase in power output. Over.
呢啲噪音嗰個電離層喺度受到猛烈嘅轟擊啊！太陽耀斑嗰個噪音相當大嚇，惡劣嘅環境個降噪。
Sets of the guy wire or something I have to do because it extends up to 50 feet.
但係喺咁惡劣嘅環境下，佢嘅降噪能力仲係充分咁樣表現到出嚟嘅嚇。
For now, the lightweight aspects of the wire are very appealing. It's easy to handle, and you don't need too much for supports. And you're being a retired electrician.
人嘅聲音仲係可以揸取到出嚟，喺咁惡劣嘅環境，嗰個電池環境下嚇。
And what I do is I took a 4x6, a 12-foot 4x6, and I put it 2 feet in the ground and just put not a lot of concrete, but some around it. And then I put a 30-foot steel push-up mast, and I drilled a hole in the bottom of it and put a lag bolt and a washer on it about 2 inches up from the bottom of the pole, and that gives you a pivot point, so you can lay it over. And then,
能夠喺咁惡劣嘅電池環境下，將人嘅聲音揸取出嚟將個音頻信號，呢個八重洲呢就有獨到之處嘅嚇。當然咧，同嗰個 DX10或者係 DX 嘅101呢，仲係有一段嘅距離啊。畢竟入門級嘅一個設備，佢嘅優點就係便攜輕便。
The 1 inch and 3/4. So the basically 3/4 is, I can actually shove it in a half-inch pipe. Basically, it's gonna be like a telescopic. But between the inch and a quarter and the 1 inch, there is a lot of wobbling going on. So I have to use some kind of like the insert, so it will not be wobbled that much.
從聲音裏邊，你夾雜咗猛烈嘅磁爆。嗰種噪音嘅噪點啊，整個外太空喺度跌喺個大氣層都受到轟擊。
On the smaller pipe and make some wraps on it, and that'll take up the distance, and you can get within about 1/8 of an inch of the inside diameter, and that'll snug it up really nice over. Believe it or not, I already find there is a schedule pulley, the thin wall PVC pipe that goes between 1 1/4 and 1 inch. So it fits right on. no wobbling. The slide is pretty easy, but also no wobbling after and when you put that thin wall PVC, 41-inch PVC pipe goes right in. It's no problem at all.
80米波段嗰個磁爆仲犀利嚇，喺80米波段基本上係已經係靜晒音啦，冇人喺嗰度講嘢啦，因為佢完全覆蓋咗個人嘅聲音喺80米波段啦。
And there's a lot of beams that, unless you get them almost 3/4 of a wavelength up, you won't get that low of a takeoff angle. But this configuration with the wire, it's really just the best of every world you can get. I mean, the whole antenna's, I think I've got 75 feet of open, the 450 ohm line and 260 feet of the copper weld. And I bought a NEMA 4 box for it. So it's waterproof at the feed point where the ladder line goes into the 16 gauge copper, and it's all soldered and everything, but it's symmetrically sealed. So I got maybe, I don't know, $140 into the whole thing of it. Yeah, roger that. Yeah, but my idea is to make it quieter, the noise, so I can hear the quieter station or signal from the East Coast, basically. Yeah, that's what my idea is. When I get my different property, which is I'm kind of looking for that. If I try to get like a bigger lens, so I can just get the normal full wavelength antenna,
八重洲嘅天線自動調諧器起到作用啦嚇，佢嘅但係點都過唔晒嗰個磁爆太陽耀斑嘅嗰個噪音嘅。
I'm going to jump out of here. I've been on for a couple hours. I'm starting to get hungry, and I know it's time to feed my puppy. She's sitting here looking at me like, "What is up, Dad? We're half an hour past feeding time." So I'm going to take care of her, and I'll probably be back on after a bit. But really nice running into you again. Always good to hear you there. N7BER WB6 Delta X-ray Romeo. Yeah, roger, Les, 73 to you from November 7, Bravo Echo Romeo. Yeah, of course we can talk sometimes later. Anyhow, 73 to you, I'll probably just step away also, just go get something to eat, maybe a little bit. Anyhow, 73 to you, Les. Okay, take care, Vlad. Been a pleasure.
嗰個人嘅聲音仲係比較清晰過咗呢個太陽耀斑嘅磁爆之後呢，應該會冇咁大嘅噪音嘅嚇。好啦，睇到呢度都係超級粉絲嚟㗎，好多謝你嘅收睇，感謝你的收看，點個關注，下回更新不迷路，謝謝，感謝。